Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. I'm going to be attempting to create some dreadlock beads made from my clay. I have these little skewers that I'm going to be using to pretty much create the the hole for the bead. I've got about two different sizes. They pretty much measure up to about the smaller one and then the bigger one of just a regular kid bead. I've got a roller. I've got my two different sets of colors, but I'm going to be doing like a camouflage one first. So, like I said, I don't know. I don't know exactly how I'm going to be doing this. I do know that I want it to be like a marble effect. So, I'm going to do that before I get started. I did preheat my oven to 275. And I'm going to heat it anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. It doesn't take very long. I purchased this from Amazon. I'll have the link for the clay in the description box. And now let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so we are all done. This is what it looks like. And you can hear that they are like they're hard. I'm going to use these for you know, like lock accessories, but you could also use these to make jewelry, necklaces, bracelets, you know, what have you. So I made them all sizes because I really don't know for sure what's gonna fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one. Well, I gotta first put the bead on there. Let's see. I'm gonna do a little pink one. These to me look like bubble gum. It's cute. Let's do another one. And I'm just using a beater to add these on. Nothing special. And that's pretty much all you do. And then just add them wherever you like. Let me see these. I think these are my favorite ones. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. A quick idea of how you can make your locks unique, custom. You can also sell these. Believe it or not, I've seen these things. That's what made me make my own. These things are like expensive for only like 6 or 3 beads, y'all. Too much. I made my own. You could also get like just plain white clay and just paint the colors on. I've seen people do that. That is super cute. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.